Hey gang, it's Spence from WP Launchify, and today I actually have a quick tip for anybody who's building a fully automated WordPress site, whether it's for membership, e-commerce, marketing automation, and so forth. And this tip will help you out if you don't know about it, whether it's for your site or for your client site. Um, I don't know if it's me, because I'm a little older than some of you kids, but I oftentimes find myself during my videos going up and down and trying to figure out where is that thing located. It's easier when I have everything alphabetical. You might have already picked up on the fact that look at my left-hand dashboard. See, it's nice and alphabetical. Well, there's a free plugin that allows you to achieve most of this, and there's a paid pro version, which also gives you some extra benefits. I'm using Admin Menu Editor. It's a long-time plugin. It's been around forever, and I've used it for a while, but it really, really helps now that we have so many components in the stack. And essentially, you can imagine why, because now I know, oh, I want to go to Groundhog. Oh, I want to go to, forms. I want to go to cart flows. My brain works in an alphabetical way. Now, the way this works is really simple. The settings itself, you go to Settings Tool, Menu Editor, and then you have the option of using a one-click button. So I'm going to undo all the changes that I had previously made. And by the way, when you have the Pro one, I'm believing that you can also save and share these setups, and there's a bunch of other options here. But the key thing that it does is, let's undo all the changes from the current session. So let's pretend I've got some kind of original whacked out layout. Everything's all just weirdly organized. I'll save the changes. And you'll see, right, things are out of order. All I did here that saved me a lot of time is I just used the alphabetical sort ascending on the primary menus. And then as a secondary thing, I went to each of the primary menus and I did the same thing for the submenus. I literally just clicked and then moved to the right side, and it took me all of about 30 seconds. Then I clicked Save Changes. Now, there's other features this will help you with a client, such as you can white label it and you can do other changes. But just this thing alone has saved me so much time and effort with both my own sites as well as when I'm interacting with clients on roadmap consultations, because now I'm not dancing up and down or watching them do the same. If you like this idea, give it a try and let me know how it works out over at help@wplaunchify.com. I'll see you in the next video.